Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a small Walmart haul to share with you, and it'll be really fast. So I picked up a box of the Hershey's miniatures Valentine box. Picked one of those up. I think it was $5. I'm not sure. And then I picked up Valentine card boxes for my son for his class. And there's 32 3D flip. Anyway, you can read it. And it comes with the cards on the inside, and it's like a holograph. You see that? The image changes, I guess, when you move it. So what I got for him for his Valentines, and I figured I'd pick this one up. This was $2.98, I want to say $2.98 for the box of 32, more than enough for his class. I also picked up the animal Valentine cards, and there's 32 in this box also, and these are just the cards. So there's 8 different styles. This was 98 cents because there's nothing really fancy about it. So you can see this is the front of the card, this is the back, and you just write to and from. And that's it. So I picked that up in case he wanted to give some of them these little cards. Okay. I also picked up some Star Wars Valentines. This was also 32 in a set. And I got it because it's Star Wars. So I think it was $2.98 also. So these two were $2.98. This was the only 98-cent box of cards. Some of the Hershey Kisses lava cake kisses. Okay, and they look like that. Yummy, yummy in the middle. Super cute. So I got a bag of those. And these are just the fat quarters. And this is just a light blue print with some floral. 97 cents for the fat quarter. Pretty cute. It's 18 by 21 cotton. And let me just, very pretty. Let me just show you right here. So it's a very lightweight material, and that's how big this is. Okay, and I think I picked up 2 little rolls of this. Nope, I picked up 1. I don't know why, but I think my hands were getting really full. I just picked this up yesterday. This was at the beginning of our ice storm. So I also picked up 2 rolls of this one, and it has, if I can get this one open. So this one has little lambs and bunnies. Sorry, I'm trying to get the paper or the sticker off my finger. Let's see, there you go. So it's a gray background, and it has these little baby sheep and bunnies. Really, really cute. And it's also cotton. I love it. Look at the bunnies. So cute. Super, super cute. I got 2 of those, 2 little fat quarters. And then I got one of this fabric. It was gosh, I cannot open it fast enough. So they're all 97 cents. Look at these bunnies, they're so serious. Look at the glasses on this guy and the little bow ties. It's so cute. This one has little gray glasses, a red red bow tie, red glasses, blue bow tie, blue glasses. Super cute. Super cute. So I have a little bit of a plan for these fabrics. And then the last one, the last fat quarter, is a white or a cream background. And this one, cute little bunnies on this one. It's so super girly. I should have grabbed two, but look at that. Isn't that cute? I'm trying to show you in a better way. So pretty. It's just the same print. They're all the bunnies with the little headband. Super pretty. Got some plans for that too. Another thing I picked up was, I shared in another haul, a previous Walmart haul. They were starting to carry the Happy Planner, and they're mini Happy Planners. Mini Happy Planner. And so this one, it's kind of hard to see because of the glare, sorry. It says sweat, smile, repeat. Sweat, smile, repeat. So planning on using, this is a workout, as you can see, the workout Happy Planner. Let me see. So this is what came on the front. And it's the 12 months fitness edition. It's a mini planner by me and my big ideas. Okay. And this is on the back, and I guess you could go to their website and, you know, get some ideas and all that motivation. It's also undated, which I love. So this is the inside. Here's the welcome committee right here. So yeah, there you go. They have a YouTube channel, they have the Instagram and Facebook, and you can also go to their website. It's all here on the inside of the planner. So it also includes like the month labels, and you get 2 sets. I guess it's to label the front and the back of the divider. Okay. Sorry guys, I was actually trying to, there you go. Anyway, so the stickers are there, and then they have some decorative monthly labels, and they're here in this cute print there. And then you got several little icons, the hearts and the stars and some asterisk, what I want to call it. And it's just one sheet of the stickers. Then you have the this belongs to me page. you put your name down there or whatever, do whatever you want. And what I like about this planner, you have the 12 months progress tracker, and this will really hold you accountable if you're honest to yourself. So you have your weight, your chest, your waist, your hips, thighs, and your upper arms. So all of these you're accounting for yourself for every month, the 12 months, okay? And you can always, you put your beginning measurements and weights here, and then you're ending your goals, what you're trying to accomplish, at the bottom of the page. So that is what it looks like. And for each entry you have for each month, and then you have the bottom right here. Okay. And then I love the dividers because they're all motivational. Take one step farther. I can't read upside down, guys. Okay, so on the monthly divider, after the divider you have your monthly calendar, and it's easy, pretty simple, because you're only tracking certain things. You could put here like what you're trying to accomplish on each week, which is what I'm going to try to do. And then your weekly food exercise log, So after the monthly, you have your week set up, and they have the exercise tracker on the bottom, how many calories you're trying to get burned and all that stuff. And then you have your water tracker also. Okay, and it just keeps you motivated. I think I'm a very visual person, and I have to write stuff down. I like that they have this motivational quotes on the sides every other page. Yeah, so at the end of that month, you'll get your little bar graph page here, and you have how I was successful. You really have to be honest with yourself if you really want to track your progress, and try to stick to it. I'm going to do my best to stick to it. I'm not saying I'm perfect, but I'm hoping that this will get me re-motivated. I used to work out. I never tracked anything, and it was an up and down battle. So maybe this can help me stay motivated. And then it just repeats. Okay, so they're undated and they're not marked for the month. So if you're only going to do like, hey, you only have a goal for 3 months, you could just use 3 months for that year, hit your goal, start over, or not start over, just pick up where you left off in another month or so, and then that's it. So I'm really excited to use this, and I'm starting this out Monday. And that's all for the planner. Excited for that. And I also showed in the previous haul, I showed a photo that they had the mini planner stickers to go with it. And I picked up the fitness. There's 1,939 stickers in here to help you stay motivated. And this one has some cute little labels for your meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks. You've got total calories. I mean, all of this will definitely get me motivated because I love stickers. And then you have your meal plan. I don't meal plan, but like I said, I'm going to do my best the way, as much as I know how, and just hold myself accountable. Okay, so there you go. Eat smart, some motivational stickers, work out. I love this. This is a sheet of clear stickers. Eat clean, work it, do your best. Then you got goals, water, dumbbells. You got walking guy here, lift. I have weights, I never lift. But hopefully, like I said, this should help me get motivated. So you also have these little labels up here, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 20 week goals. So yeah, guys, I'm loving this. Walmart is now carrying more planners from the Me and My Big Ideas, the Happy Planner. Go check it out. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys are planning on starting a new fitness journey. My goal is not a designated weight. My goal is a show me some progress kind of deal. So thanks for joining me. I hope you guys give it a shot. Leave a comment down below what your plans are for 2019. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.